Welcome to SoftwareLinkers Ghana. In today's tutorial, we are going to look at how to create and restore your backup of the SoftwareLinkers school menu software. So in case you are using this software and then you want to manually create and restore your backup, it's very easy. Once you log into the software, you navigate and then click on settings. Under settings, you click on backup and restore. So when you click on backup and restore, it will send you to the backup and restore page. So below here you will see your previously backup files. So these files are the backups that you have done previously, either automatic or manual backing up. So let's assume we want to backup this current database. You just come, this is the file name. So the file name is always the date and then the time. So as you can see, October 30th October 2022, and the time is 11:03 p.m. So you can leave it at the date and then the time, or you give it a name. So you can clean it like this and then give it a name. Backup name. It can be any name, maybe a name that you will recognize anytime you want to restore this backup. So when you give a name to the backup, automatically it will go to your primary backup file, this and path, which is here. So when you do that, then you click on create backup. So action successfully. So this is the backup with the name backup name. So that is how easy you can create a backup. So restoring a backup too is very easy. So assuming these are my old backups, assuming today I want to restore this old backup, which was taken on 12 September 2022. If I want to restore it for one reason or the other, when you are here, you click on the file you want to restore, and then you click on restore database. Okay, action successfully. So we have restored the database with name 12 September 2022. So that is how easy you can create and restore backups using the SoftwareLinkers school management software. Thank you very much for following through.